Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will see combine feature, how to use combine feature and do modifications in bodies. Just like you can use combine feature and add two bodies. Then you can subtract one body from another body, and even you can show the common part in both the bodies. So let's see how to use combine feature and use according to our need. This is body 1 and this is body 2. So today we are going to use combine feature and see how to add, subtract or make a common part. So first we will create the part. So let's say extrude front plane, center rectangle. We will create two bodies. This is our first body. Okay, let me hold shift key, equal, and let me draw one more rectangle. Equal. Now let me define 100 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Okay, now let's exit. Now once you select exit, go to contour and choose outer edge, outer line, so that it will select solid body, and keep end condition blind 30 millimeter. Okay, now this is your first part, first body. See here, body 1. Let's create second body. Use same sketch, click extruded boss base, go to selected contour and choose inner line, and here let's say this is 80 millimeter. Now here unmerge result. If you merge, it will become one body. Merge result, unmerge result. Now there is two body, 1, 2. Click first body. Here select body, and we will give color, or even though let's give solid color. Okay, now choose second body, appearance drop down, click body. For second one also we will apply solid color, green. See, okay. Now this is our two bodies. Now let's see how to use combine tool to subtract one body from other body, or combine both the body, or use or keep common part. Go to here in section, keep command on, search section, and let's say combine. If you click and see, dynamically it will show you combine. Either directly click or click here I button. See, show command location. I'll click and see, automatically it will show you where is the location. See, this is automatic operation going on. See, the combine is located in insert file, features, then you will find out combine here. Click yes. Now first add, so bodies to combine, so there is no way, simply click both the bodies, show preview. See, both the bodies are going to combine. You will see both the bodies in preview. Say okay. Now both the body is one. See here, only one body, no two bodies. Now let me edit. Okay, clear. Now the second operation is subtract. If I'll subtract, now we can subtract any body from anyone. So let's say our main body this one, and body to subtract, I'll select this one. So this body going to subtract from this body. Show preview. See, the center body is going to subtract. Okay, now look, this is how we subtract a center body from outer body. Even edit feature, you can choose main body this one and subtract this body. Show preview. See, okay. Now let's see the other body, subtract. Edit feature. Now there is a third feature let me clear. Common. Common means the common body between both. So I'll select 1, 2. If I'll show preview, see, this is the common part between both the bodies, which is going to be stay in common feature. Okay. See, so this is how you can use combined feature and define your parts in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.